Hey, what's up guys? So yeah, that was my first time riding a motorcycle. Not necessarily my first time. I haven't rode since I was like younger. Like my uncle let me ride his bike when I was like 16 years old. But yeah, I recently just purchased the KTM RC 390. I'm still getting used to the bike and stuff like that. Also, I'm just testing different angles with my GoPro. I'll be putting more videos out there of my rides and stuff like that, and just sharing my experience with you guys, being a first-time rider, learning you know, braking, cornering, the proper way to use the clutch. If you guys like this video, definitely like and subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.